Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Bansal and today I will be talking about 3 of the most common mistakes investors should avoid by investing into mutual funds. As it is important to remember, when starting something new, there are bound to be mistakes and investors tend to commit a few common ones that can be very easily avoided. First one is opting dividend option of mutual funds. Generally, when a company declares dividend, it shows that a company's finances are strong and profitable, but same does not hold into mutual funds. This is because the dividends into mutual funds are paid out of the AUM of the fund, and the NAV of a mutual fund decreases by the same amount as per the unit dividend distributed. More importantly, mutual funds works best if you invested for a longer time horizon and allow the power of compounding to work in your favor. Second is redeeming at the slightest sign of correction. Panicking is perhaps the most common mistakes investors make. Majority of investors enter into capital markets at record high and redeem at the slightest sign of correction. Mutual fund investments can never be successful this way, as these investments works best only and only if an investor seeks to make investments over a long term. Third is not understanding the type of fund. The primary purpose of mutual fund is to make your life simpler. Before biting the bullet, get acquainted with which category of funds you are investing. The risk, expected return, required time horizon are immensely different with each category of mutual fund. So don't commit the unpardonable mistake of investing money in a fund without actually knowing where and in which asset class it is going to deploy your money. To conclude, there are many simple and avoidable mistakes which investors commit while investing into mutual funds. Always note that simple and logical things work far better in the market rather than complex valuations and theorems. I would like to end by saying spend time in the market rather than timing the market.